What's going on, guys? We're out here today, and today we are going to be doing a catfish catch and cook. I'm over here at a spillway, and this is basically just where the lake lets out. This is like the drainage, and yeah, so we're going to get up here on this cement and do some fishing. I'll see you guys there. Alright, I'm going to switch over to a bigger hook and a bigger reel and a bigger rod, and try a piece of shrimp and try to get some catfish. There's a lot of catfish around here, I think, so we'll try it out. Alright, so that should sink all the way to the bottom. Yeah. Yeah, I almost fell. I almost did fall. Alright guys, you might be able to hear me now because I am away from the waterfall. Well, not really, it's like right over there. But yeah, there should be some bass in here, and I can see my line for my catfish like right over there. So, you know, if we catch one of those, we'll be good. And yeah, I'm gonna try for bass. There's watermelon seed, finesse worm. Got him. No, I don't. Never mind. That's another line. Alright guys, I caught a fish, and it is a catfish. Yep, it's a channel cat. Let's see if I can get a hold of him. Nope. Let's see if we can get him over here. He's small, but he'll eat. Alright, here we go. He is dinner. Right in there. You know what I'm using for bait is just shrimp. There's one. Yep, it took my bait. I think that's bluegills. Yeah, guarantee that's bluegills. There he is. Got him. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah. That is a nice bluegill. Put him in here with the catfish. Got a hook in my finger. We are back here. It is 3 days later, and yeah, we caught that catfish and the bluegills. I already kind of processed the bluegills and put them in my freezer, so we can't use those in the catch and cook today. I kept it alive, and well, it's in this bucket. I've kept it alive for the past 3 days, so it is still going to be fresh. If you want to see how I'm processing this, it was probably the last video, I think, so go check it out. And I'm actually going to let the chickens pick the bones. There's actually the big one that I gave them, that I did in the last video, the how-to video, and well, they liked it, so yeah, we'll let them have that one too. We got the fish filleted and stuff, and now we're actually going to go ahead and get a fire going. And I've already piled some stuff up. We got some boxes to get it started, and I've got a blowtorch to light it with. So let's go ahead and get it started. Let's see here. There we go.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Let's go ahead and lay them down in here. Alright guys, so here is the grill thing I have set up. If you know what a tomato plant holder thing is, it's like these little cages. I have 4 of them holding up my grill. I was thinking that this would actually be kind of like easy to fall, but it's kind of the opposite. Since they're kind of like spring loaded, it doesn't let it fall. So that's what we're going to use to cook it on. Let's go ahead and prepare the fish. Alright, so I'm actually going to like cook it in this, so it's kind of like baking it, and we save some of the juices in the fish. We are going to put some butter in here, kind of keep it from sticking to the pan. Now we're going to put some Old Bay seasoning and add a little bit of garlic salt. Alright, that is ready to roast. Alright, we have leaves burning over here. That is not good. That's how forest fires get started. So we'll go ahead and set that right there. Keep it nice and hot and baking our fish. It's been about, I don't know, probably 10 minutes. And yeah, the fire is still going pretty good. And my grill here, made with redneck ingenuity, is doing good. It hasn't tipped over yet, so that's great. And I'm going to go ahead and say that this is probably done. I heard it sizzling a few minutes ago, and now it's not, so we'll go ahead and take it up, get this top off of it, and see if it's done. Oh yeah, that is done. They cook up a lot, but a lot of the butter's gone too, so that means that what it cooked up on, it actually absorbed butter, which is great because butter tastes amazing. Oh wow, these pliers can break rock. That's pretty cool. These are apparently done, so we're going to go ahead, get them in a bowl, and try them out. Alright, so I'm going to try to pour the juice and all. Oh wow, that came out perfectly. Thanks to these non-stick skillets. Well, I don't know if they're non-stick or not, but it didn't stick, so apparently they are. And this is actually like a little camping fork set, sport, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, we're going to use that to eat it with, because, well, why not? Alright, so I'm actually going to let this cool down, and then we'll eat it. Alright, so here's the actual fish. There's a lot of seasoning still in the bottom of this, in the butter. Check it by coming up here, pushing our fork. Oh yeah. That, if it can slice with a fork, it's more than likely done. And juicy. This fish was alive like 20 minutes ago, and now we're eating it. So that is just about as fresh as you can get it. I'll just quit talking and eat, you know what? Oh wow. It's a little bit on the salty side. Probably because every ingredient I added. Butter is just like milk with salt. Garlic salt is just garlic and salt. And Old Bay is just a bunch of spices and salt. So it's just, you know, we loaded it down with the salt. So, I mean, it's not bad. It's definitely fresh tasting. Oh, that's good. But yeah, overall, I would say this is a successful event. I said that right. We got us a nice little catfish here. Perfectly. Well, I wouldn't say. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating this. Quit eating on camera because it's kind of weird. And yeah, we'll sign you guys off. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know. Leave a like, comment, and subscribing. Go ahead and check me out down below on my social medias. Go over there for posts, stuff, other like that, and more. That didn't make sense, but oh well. I'll see you guys next time.